Yes, my peeps. Welcome back, Welcome to Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Yeah, man. And we're there today, We are talking about the crowning of Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man. Vybz Kartel crowned the king. Believe it? Yeah, man. And I be people upset. Yeah, man. I be things, my people. Beer things from some fest. Just go up there and say a bag of thing. Massacre come up in them feelings. A bag of sitting my people. And the man crown the king. Foot a hype no feel good. Ricky Trooper say him they did it from day one. And him back Joshy. Oh, kind of thing them there. You have to wonder my people. No, we don't know. We have to just watch mind game play out and see how it comes stay, A crazy mind game, Yeah, man. So you play out the dirty dancehall place. When you put so much Jamaica in one place, crazy things. You can't put the Jamaican in one barrel. Who like to mash up? You believe it or not? Yeah, man. I tell you. Right now, all of them can work. If you are one of them work Europe, one work Africa, one work Jamaica, one work Brazil or somewhere in the Caribbean, all of them work good by themselves. No vibes no happen. Come home pass each other like office. But soon as I put all of them in a one barrel, ego start chipping. Like the man start do what Jamaican do, tear down each other. You can imagine how the man them up war and come together and push this thing to a level. Yeah, man, higher than higher. Because maybe I don't know the Vybz Kartel things say just hit this right aside limit. No, man, this thing can never stop. There is no limit to it. I just seem to just know say find way and craft and put the thing to a board and know say yes. You're going to take the thing to a different level. But anyway, Ricky Trooper feel good. Him not like one who massacre him that really feel like them the day one man them around him. Him no know. You have to know and him not feel like say Vybz Kartel to get the king. To make it stay with being the man. And crown him the world boss, give him a plaque and say, yeah, the world boss, I world boss, that's a world boss thing. We don't know. That's how him feel. Real. But how a man feels, what the man want. Compete. I want hit hard for being a man. For what for a reason why we don't really know. Yeah, man. This music thing revengeful, Yes. Put that Ricky Trooper talk at bag of things. Him hit. Put a hype smartly. Till him won't get beaten back down so. Now west. On the garden. Crazy things. Yeah, man. When you know what I hit hard. I talk about some SM thing and crazy I tell both of them crazy things. But me I think say now when Vybz Kartel choose certain people to come around him and him now go back down from certain people that talk about him team because him team how him choose. And him go like him team and him go back him team for any cause. So you know. And it can be an excuse. After I'm going with certain things and go on with the vibes in the early team shuffle up. So a team can shuffle up after a time, And a different thing I go on. So we have to just go and sit and watch it play out. Yeah, man. Cause I Worl Boss, as what Trooper say, I him control things. But right now him come and change the game crazy. I say him change the game crazy, change the game crazy. And now normal thing him a go on with in the game. Make people start, artists start, make money. Make stage show start full up. Remember they got down to zero. Gone down to zero. I just see what them and them chop tune try hold it up. Believe and them hold it up. And Worl Boss come back and hit it. And they hit a big hit. And dancehall spread out again. When we say spread out again, a beer things that just seem to just start drop some hits and line up him thing properly. When we say properly, I mean properly, business wise, properly. Yeah. Big up yourself, Vybz Kartel. Yeah man. As they say, I king, hail the king. Yeah man. They say, I king man, hail the king. Big up yourself man. Yes man. And I tell you, no for type, I'll come back and come say something because I'm not feel good. I feel away in a real life. Yes. Oh, one particular deal with him. Yeah man. Like him a give me glory and not take glory. Yeah, I know him feel, I see him feel. Yes. And I can't say I'm out. Because I'm out of him thing. Yes. Something to behind it differently. Yes man. True word. Believe it, my people. Something to behind you, not just normally so. Right now them not talk everything. Yeah man. Big up put hype. Don't know. Big selector. No normal selector. Yeah man. I've set him up, my selector. Yes, nah idea and tell you. For a long time, I put a hype around things wicked, and in my selector. And way back. Yeah man. And then man they come a country, come set a mark. Put a hype them set a mark a country. Yeah. Where? Normal, but them I star down here. Yeah, we know about the history of music and know about Mataran and fair links them. But to hype them, set them mark down here and have like whole 2000 going up. Yeah man, and my man down here, people don't know nobody else down here. And him they know down here. So pick up yourself, put a hype, man up, always. Yeah man. So Vybz Kartel. She come out contract shit with him ego. So that means there's something talk backstage between him and Massacre. Massacre just not brave enough to fire. But as Josh is a hearted man, come out, come say blam 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 blam. Chat up him shit. Well, that kick off a whole chain of reaction. I tell you. Yes, some people feel like say Joshy bad mind and them thing there, but you know have a bad mind. If them smart, me that can rise up out of it or go down out of it. You know what I mean? All more artists can jump on here and bust out of it. Right now, because that's the music game set up. Yeah man. So my people, we catch you again. Chat about the King Part 2, this is King Part 1. Yeah man, chat saga man, so big up the Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Yeah man, thank you for sticking by. Yeah man, so just watch out for more video like this. Yeah man, and check out my channel, check out my shorts them. Yeah man, big up everybody. Yardman TV. Boom.